he responds kapag nakatawag namin sa Jackie or kinakausap namin siya, nag-respond naman, tinataas na yung eyebrows niya or tinataas na yung kalay niya. So, yun gaya ng sinabi ko, manifestation kasi manifestation kasi nung encephalopathy. Nagkakaroon parang spasm, so yung parang inner sensitive po. According to the doctor, it's not in pain. But sabi din nila kasi na ang huling nawawala daw kasi yung hearing ay yung touch. So sabi ng doctor na nadidinig na kami, nararamdaman niya. I'm sure he is. The rest of the family is why ako lang. I said earlier, so, nagre-respond siya pagka hinahawakan sa ordinary. I-respond, pero hindi namin siya nakakausap. Yeah. Right now, kasi bumaba yung hemoglobin niya. So, yesterday, we were giving him a fourth, basta yung 1 unit is 4 hours, diligid sa kanya ng 12 hours. So, parang hinati sa hapas. Pero right now, he needed 3 units of B-class. So, pero meron na naman kami nakuha. So, right now, kinasilingan siya naman kita ang code. Yes, just like any time. We're all vulnerable at the moment. We're all very emotional. But we're trying to hold it together. No matter what, we're all in it together. So, kami lang naman na magtutulungan mag-control it. So, right now we're okay. We'll be fine. Oh yes, they are. And we make it a point also na we follow up all the time. Kasi, like I said, no, in the last couple of days, been being observed round the clock. So, at lahat naman kami nandito, so parati kami sa ng falling. So, his condition has been like this, going up and down, up and down. So, sometimes we get like little news. Of course, siyempre, ang pamilya natutuwa pag meron kami natapay na magandang news. Like I said, very critical, pero here's the hoping na pagkakasama pa namin siya matagal sa mga kapilitan.
At yan po ang pinakabagong pahayag ng pamilya Quezon. Ang narinig niyo po ay ang anak ni Comedy King Dolphy na si Eric Quezon. At ilan po sa kanyang nabanggit ay hindi man nila nakakausap ang kanilang ama, ay ayon sa doktor ay naririnig sila at nararamdaman ng Comedy King. He responds ayon kay Eric pag siya'y kinakausap.